Hey guys, how's it going? Today I just wanted to do a quick review for you on the Oreck commercial Orbiter floor machine. So the Oreck Orbiter is kind of the original floor buffing machine that put Oreck on the map, aside from their vacuums of course, but it's really unchanged since its original model that was built some 50-60 years ago. And that's for a good reason. It's, kind of the old adage, if it isn't broke, don't fix it, and this is kind of a prime example of what that saying means. This thing is an absolute workhorse. You can use it for cleaning wood floors, vinyl, tile, any hard floor really, or you can even use it for dry cleaning your carpeted floors to loosen dirt and things like that. But it works unbelievably well. It has plenty enough power. The motors and are made to last for decades on this thing, and the build quality is just great. It comes with a nice 50-foot long power cord too, so you can cover a really large area, and it has an orbital drive motor, which not only spins but it also oscillates the brush, so that's how it really cleans very, very well. It also means, because it's kind of a random drive, that there'll be no streaks, gouging, swirling, anything like that, no patterns. It's just a completely random orbital pattern, which is really cool. This is honestly a commercial grade for floor cleaner that you can use in your home, and it will absolutely hold its own with any $1,000 to $2,000 professional floor cleaning machine out there. All in all, I really love this unit and I highly recommend it.